This is not.
What's the meaning of this?
This is not my own innovation, but this is the Ship Foundation innovation for the cleaning of
Yes.
the sea. Because if we see, there's a lot of
Garbage.
garbage around the Doña Lucia. That's why a part of our service, we decided to clean up
Hmm.
the Doña Lucia, aligning of the anniversary of Mater Admirabilis, our Mother Mary. That's why we are doing this.
Thank Kuya De. Clean up drive. Inagian. Inamyo niya kanan ayam. Kanyaw ni kanina. Aw diri man. Nagre-reflect siya. He wants to be alone. Yeah. He's the only one back in the sea. Inikinon niya kasi tuon, inagihan siya na. Dito man tukuon. Wow, casting. Yes.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky.